the fudge muffins. So one of the things that I have always stated in business is being careful of who you work with. And boy, I am feeling that lesson recently. All day. This guy, all day. This is the most nonsense thing that this guy is causing. Everything he's getting uppity about can be resolved with basic math. And not to mention, the entirety of working with this person has been a nightmare and a half. I just can't. How can anybody be as so condescending, first off? Like, it's at the point to where tomorrow and their very next action is the very difference between his freedom and us being able to help him. He is on that thin of ice. He's just making everything difficult. He's just making everything difficult all day today. And here's another thing. It's probably going to be all day tomorrow. Like, he's just trying so hard with. Like, it's at the point to where my other partner, who was graciously defending him, even though he's been treated like dog shit by him, has had enough. It's over. There is no saving him at this point. You know, I was reading a book called The Ideal Team Player. In that book, they talk about needing people who are hungry, humble, and people smart. He is none of those things. He is literally none of those things. I allowed this person into one of my businesses because he was a friend of the family. And that's the worst kind. I couldn't make the argument of this person is family and I don't want to mix family and personal because the partner who has been nothing but helpful the whole time was family. So it's really hit or miss, and it adds a lot of politics to it. I just can't. I just can't with this guy. It's gotten bad. Either way, I'm sorry for the stress video. I don't even want to call it an excuse video. I'm calling it a stress video because it's so much worse than that. Be careful who you work with. Some people are just not worth working with, period.